Okay, greetings once again, everybody. This is just a real quick video to show you how to get registered with MyMathLab. This is absolutely the number one, very first thing you need to do, and it's very important. You have homework due on Tuesday, so we need to get this done. Okay, so the way you do this is you go to the modules page. Okay, and your first couple modules here, this first module I put up here is MyMathLab Quick Links. Again, use these arrows to open and expand the modules if you want. For some reason, when I'm in the student view, they're kind of all expanded at first when I open it, so it is what it is. But these are quick links to MyMathLab if you wanted to go straight into MyMathLab for anything. But we got to get registered first. So the next one is called Week 0. In other words, the course really hasn't started. We're trying to get going. We got to get registered for MyMathLab. This is a handout, so you can look at that if you want and have it walk you through it. But this is where this video is going to go right here, so you can watch the video and do it at the same time if you want. Okay, so what this tells you to do, first thing is click on any MyMathLab link. I'll just click on this first one, Pearson MyMathLab and Mastering. And it comes to this page which says Open MyLab and Mastering. So I'm going to open it. And it opens up in another window. Okay, first thing you got to do is accept the end user license agreement. Go ahead and hit accept. And then you get to the page where you can actually register. So if you have a Pearson account already, MyMathLab is an online course delivery system through Pearson Publishing. So Pearson is the publisher for our textbook, and we do everything through MyMathLab with them. So if you've used MyMathLab before, which if you've taken math classes here at Flagler, you probably have, because most of us use it. You have a username and password already. If you forgot it, you can do it here. If you don't, if you've never used MyMathLab, we can create a Pearson account right here. Okay, so I have one. Let me show you how it works as a student. So my username, my password, and sign in. And you get to this page. Okay, so now you have an option. If you already have an access code, so if you purchased an access code, just like purchasing a textbook through our bookstore, then you already have it in hand, and that's all you need. Okay. If you don't, now I'm not sure why there's an option. If you don't, I'm sorry. No, it's right here. If you don't have the access code already, you can actually buy it directly through Pearson Publishing right here if you want. You need a credit card or PayPal if you want. If you still would rather buy it through the bookstore, that's completely fine. They have lots of different payment methods, even defer payments if you're low, if your funds are not appropriate right now, et cetera, but you have to work with them on that. But you can get a temporary access without payment for 14 days. So you'll need to have that access code certainly within 14 days. The bookstore will get it to you for that, but or you can buy it right here. If you don't want to buy it right now, just get your temporary access. You have it for the first 2 weeks without having to pay for it, and you're not getting behind in the course. It's very important that you get this going right now. So either way, this is how you do it. Hopefully that was easy enough and we can get you all going quickly.